Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by aligning the basics. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and put them on the same network. Once done, disable USB tethering and VPNs so Share It can negotiate a direct connection. This prevents port conflicts. Make sure the phone's hotspot is off unless you intentionally host it. Finally, grant location and file permissions when prompted, because Share It needs them to discover nearby devices and establish a secure local transfer channel. Now open Share It on both devices and follow the app flow. Select Send on your phone and Receive on the PC, or use the PC's Connect to Phone option. If automatic discovery doesn't appear, tap Scan QR on the PC and use the phone to scan. Alternatively, switch to Hotspot Connect mode to force a direct link. This step creates the transfer link and negotiates IP and port. It's how the devices agree on a secure channel for the file stream. Accept the incoming connection on the receiving device and monitor the transfer progress. Smaller batches reduce failure risk because of fewer handshake retries. Once files arrive, verify integrity and close Share It on both ends to release network ports. If it still fails, restart the app and toggle Wi-Fi, then retry the QR or hotspot method. As a last resort, reinstall Share It. This cures corrupted installations and clears persistent permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.